My name is Markus Brenneis, CEO of Present4D. I'm a multimedia pioneer and evangelist since 1991. We produce an award-winning presentation and e-learning software, which is also compatible to VR headsets. Learning with VR means understanding faster and remembering longer. The most effective learning method. VR opens people up emotionally, ideal for conveying messages. Present products without spatial limitation, your own company in your briefcase, making projects experienceable together with others without being in the same place. Save travel costs, conserve personal resources. In the area of sales, marketing and e-learning, you benefit from virtual reality. But VR production are largely uncharted territory, experienced agencies difficult to find, high budgets necessary. With our VR suite, you bring your content very simply on the VR glasses without programming and in the twinkling of an eye. Optimized for VR, but also works without VR glasses on PC, Mac, smartphone and tablet. The Present4D VR suite has many interfaces with the scanners of our investor Faro. Create floor plans of buildings with a Faro scan plan and N360 panoramas and multimedia contents. And share the project with your target group via our VR suite. VR Suite. Innovate your business presentations. From €199 per month.